Today's video is to show you how you can write your responses for assignments in CTLS that have worksheets attached. So what you would do is you would choose the class where the worksheet is available. You would go to assignments, and I recognize that How Much Is Your Name Worth was an assignment that had a worksheet. So it's embedded strangely, but what you would do is you would open up the worksheet, and the worksheet has some examples. It talks about what each letter of your name is worth, and then it gives you some examples of what you need to do. So you take your first name, and this is where you're probably going to have to use a piece of paper. So I'm going to use my own name as an example. So I have a K-E-L-S-E-N-Y. And of course, we know how I would solve that. So after doing the math, then I would learn that my name, Kelsey, is worth 75 points. So what I would do is go back to the actual assignment, and down below I can add edit response, and I would put what is my first name worth, and I would put 75. Then you can go back to the worksheet and do the next one. My last name is, I'll do what is my last name worth, and then I would put that response, okay? You would do that until you go through each one of the prompts it gives you there. And if you want to do the extension, you can do that for sure. I would just, even though they don't say number 1, number 2, you can just either copy paste this question, which I highlighted it, right click copy. You could do that, and after you've answered all the other questions, you can right click and you can paste it, which we already did that question, but you can do that, or you can just label it problem 1, 2, 3. You could do it that way too. But either way, once you have put all your answers here, which I didn't, I'm not going to do that for the sake of time, I would hit save, and there's my answers, and then I would hit submit response, okay? And that is how you use the add edit response feature in CTLS assignment.